creamy Rasta pasta with jerk chicken. Today, we're cooking up something seriously delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 200 grams, 7 O's penne or fettuccine, 2 chicken breasts or thighs, boneless, 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning plus extra for the sauce. To prepare your own jerk seasoning, wait for the tricks at the end of the video. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 bell pepper each, red, yellow, green, sliced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, half cup heavy cream or coconut milk, half cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Optional, green onion and parsley for garnish. Here we go, let's get started. From start to finish will take about 20 minutes. 1. Cook pasta. Boil pasta in salted water until al dente. Drain and set aside. 2. Season and cook chicken. Rub chicken with jerk seasoning. In a hot skillet with olive oil, sear both sides until golden and cook through. Remove and slice. 3. Sauté veggies. In the same pan, sauté bell peppers and garlic for 2-3 minutes until just soft. 4. Make sauce. Add cream, parmesan, and a pinch of jerk seasoning to the pan. Simmer 2-3 minutes until creamy. 5. Toss pasta and chicken. Add drained pasta and sliced chicken into the sauce. Mix well to coat. 6. Garnish and serve. Top with chopped green onions, parsley, or extra parmesan. Little tricks that make a big difference. 1. Marinate the chicken if you have time. Let it sit in the jerk seasoning for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper flavor. 2. Finish in the sauce. Always toss the pasta in the sauce and simmer together for 1-2 minutes. This helps it absorb the flavor and get perfectly coated. 3. Jerk seasoning ingredients: 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half to 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, optional for extra heat. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal